maybe just, I'll just drizzle it over the top. All right. It's Eric Hatch here with Century 21, coming from the beautiful Sierra foothills, and we are in our beautiful kitchen here cooking with your agent. And I just wanted to share, we've got a great breakfast. We've got family coming over this morning. We've got Cole and Andrew, our wonderful son-in-laws that have birthdays about a week apart. So we're having a family celebration and celebrating their birthdays today. And so I want to share one really fun family thing that we do, which is German pancakes. We're going to put them kind of a more ramekin, kind of dishes for like self-serving. And then we're also going to do these ham little cakes that are going to be really great. And so basically what you do with these is you get any type of ham that you want to do. We're going with prosciutto. You want to kind of grease down your little cake sheet here. You put the ham in, and we're going to put a little sprinkle of cheese. You can put this on top, but they're saying to kind of maybe put this more inside, because what it does is it allows it to not be super crusty up there on top. And then we want to go ahead and crack an egg and just put eggs kind of straight into that right there. And we're going to bake this for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees. So that's one of those right there that we've got set up. And so then going back to the German pancakes, this is a double recipe. So when I tell you that it's 12 eggs and 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of flour and a teaspoon of salt, you can cut that in half. Or you can do a double recipe, which is a big family if you have. We generally put it in a cake pan, or you can put it in a cookie sheet with sides. So if you do a cookie sheet with sides, this double recipe works. If you're going to actually do the double recipe and you don't have a cookie sheet, stick it in two kind of cake pans is what you want to do there. So let's go ahead and get that started. So I've already put my 12 eggs in, and we're going to put our 2 cups of milk in here. So we're going to blend this really good, and we're going to put our little 2 cups of flour and our little 1 teaspoon of salt right there. Blend this up good. Finish up cracking some eggs in here, and we're going to bake these things, and then we'll pull them out and we'll have some breakfast. So on the little ramekins, or when you put in your pan for the German pancakes, you need to put a little bit of butter. So you put a little butter on there. It's about a 1/4 teaspoon of butter, and you put this in the oven. You get it melted, little golden brown. Don't overburn it though. So you kind of watch that, because these do kind of puff up a little bit. And so if you're doing little ramekins, you don't want to fill them too much, because they do puff. So you just kind of fill them a little bit right there. And we got that, so we'll fill that up as well. We also wanted to share, we've got the eggs and the little ham cups that are coming, that are right here. We put some salt and pepper on those. We're gonna put those in the oven. At the same time, we got some hot chocolate going on back here. We got the hollandaise sauce, which is in another video that we're gonna put that on, and we're gonna put this all in a bed of hash browns right there that are actually cooking behind us. So guys, let's go ahead and continue putting it together. Oh! Welcome to Cooking with the Family. All right, the whole family has arrived. They're here, so we're super excited to plate this dish. We got our nice crispy hash browns. Shannon likes them a little extra crispy. And we take our little egg and ham and drop it right there on top. And we got that hollandaise sauce. As I mentioned, there's another video that you guys can go watch, but just kind of drizzle that kind of over the top. Good. You can put maybe some chives or something on there as you wish. You can see these absolutely adorable German pancakes that have popped up. So we're going to put that right here on top. And then we also, if somebody would like other different fruits and options to put right on top with some whipped cream, you can put that right on your German pancakes as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and we'll talk soon. Take care.